Hola plums, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you another makeup inspired tutorial in one of my favorite countries, my home country, Mexico. So here I bring to you a Mexican inspired makeup tutorial thanks to all of the votes on Instagram. Hope you follow step by step, and let's get ready together. So I just started by applying this Makeup Forever Water Blend Foundation. So I take my wet beauty blender. It bounces so much more when it's wet. And I am going to start dabbing all over my face. So I don't know if you guys have seen other of my YouTube videos, but since all of my foundations are very light coverage, I normally tend to apply first the liquid foundation and then the powder foundation. So now that the liquid foundation is set, I'm going to be taking my powder foundation by PALI Maquillaje in shade 01. I take my powder brush and we are going to dip it in the little, what is this called? The little cube box, a little packaging. And we start applying it all over the face. So for this video, since it is a Mexican inspired makeup tutorial, I want to use as many Mexican brands as I can. I'm not going to be using those many. Actually, I'm going to be using like 2. But for most of the parts of my face that I'm going to be applying makeup with, they're going to be Mexican brands. So then I move on to my concealer. This one is by GET Cosmetics in shade 01. And we are going to apply this under our eyes, on our eyelids, because we want the makeup to stick better, especially in this kind of makeup that Mexican women like to wear heavy eye makeup, so we want it to really stick for longer hours. We are going to put it around our nose. I have a little zit here on top of the lip and another one on, what is that, between the chin and the bottom lips. So I'm going to apply some there. And with my baby beauty blender, also wet, I am going to start dabbing all of that makeup. Up next, I'm going to be using my blush by PALI Maquillaje in the shade Coral. And I'm going to be applying that with my blush brush. So for all of those of you that haven't watched my videos, PALI Maquillaje is a Mexican mineral-based brand that really allows your skin to breathe through. Makeup isn't heavy when you wear PALI Maquillaje, which is why I love it. And they ship internationally, so you can absolutely get it. So Mexican women are really into bronzers. So I'm going to be taking this Tarte Cosmetics Pro to Glow, the bottom shade, which is the bronzer. And first I'm going to be taking my contour brush, contour buffing brush, and I am going to create these sort of lines of where I want to apply the contour. And then I'm going to be taking my angled contour brush, and that's what I'm going to be using to blend. As I mentioned, this is my angled contour brush, and I take it and I just start blending everything. So I tried looking as Mexican as possible by wearing this really colorful top. I am Mexican, but I get it all the time. Are you Mexican? You don't look Mexican. I don't mean to sound racist, but why are you white? That's like the most racist comment ever. There's all sorts of Mexicans, and I just happen to be one of the non-tan ones, which, by the way, another fun fact about Mexican women, they love wearing their hair down. They have this gorgeous, long, luscious black, straight hair. My hair is not straight, my hair is not thick. My hair, I think it's not that luscious, and I tried wearing it natural just like other Mexican women, and let's just hope we get through the makeup properly. Mexican women do not wear highlighter, so we're not going to be using any. But it's so sad because this is the next step that I was going to do. The highlighter. I had just taken my highlighter brush. Anyway, let's throw it away. So moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be taking this gorgeous palette by Kat Von D. It's in shade Saint. It's called Saint. And in Spanish it's called, oh no, sorry. The liner is called Puro Amor. Speaking of, I should be teaching you guys on these tutorials how to say a few words on those different languages. So let's start in Spanish with the basics. Hola means hello. ¿Cómo estás means how are you. Gracias is thank you. This could probably be pretty basic to most of you, but to some, these are new words. So these are the basic things that you basically need to know. And if you're over 18, una cerveza, por favor, which means a beer, please. So I'm going to be going to this palette. I'm going to be taking this second color. Oh, God. And with my eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be dabbing that on top of my eyelid. So what I love about Kat Von D palettes is that they have so much pigment. I mean, it's been one coat and my eye already looks extremely shimmery. I think it's not even necessary to go over it again. This was a perfect coating that I needed in my life right now. So all I'm going to be taking is my eyeshadow crease brush and I'm going to go with it for last color. We're going to be super careful here because we're going to put it on the top of the eyelid, like on the top part, and a little bit in the corner. They love creating this kind of like, sorry guys for the inconvenience, but my dad called me in the middle of the video and I hadn't realized, so it stopped filming. So the second half is going to be filmed with only text. I hope you still enjoy because this is a very special dear video, very close to my heart. We are going to take the lightest shade of brown and we are going to take our eyeshadow crease brush and apply it all over our crease. Then we take our eye tapper crease brush and we take the second to last shade of brown. This one we are going to apply it in the center of our eye to create kind of like a cut crease effect. After that, we take our smudge brush and we blend. Then we take our Chanel eyeliner in shade 08. This one we're going to apply it all on top of the eyelashes. We take our mascara in shade black by GEMELAS ROSSELL. I love this mascara because it's made with natural ingredients and it's by two of my friends that are makeup artists. Then we take our lipstick in shade 208 by Chanel. And despite the rumors of Mexican women only wearing red lips, here you're going to notice that we also wear fuchsia. We love bright lips in general. Thank you guys so much for watching. As I mentioned before, this is one of my favorite videos I've ever filmed since it's my country, Mexico. Gracias a todos. Thank you everybody for watching. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, or comment what kind of country you would like to see next. See you again next week in the Porcelain Plum with another makeup tutorial inspired video. Adios.